Hello, hi. So the manual availability is the one that appears with red color here in the calendar. When you go to prices, you can see this line in black. Black means that the system automatically calculates the availability depending on what you have on beds. If you block a bed, then the system decreases and so on. But if you put a manual number here, just like this, okay, or via bulk update, then the system will show the number in red color and it just actually ignores mm, what you have on beds. So you can have blocked beds, and if you put one here, it will just send one to the channels. Okay. So if you want to restore the manual availability, you can do it like just right click here and restore availability. You can choose few dates and just right click restore. And you can also do it in bulk if you have many dates like this. So you can go to bulk update, availability, you choose the dates, you choose the room types you want to restore this availability for, and just restore availability. Okay. You can click run or run and close. And as you can see, the availability was restored, the automatic one. Thank you.